Your organization is complex. Whether you operate in one country or 50, you face many challenges, from managing compliance to labor costs and schedule coverage. Can your timekeeping and scheduling solution handle it all? You need a system tailored to your business and all of its unique complexities. You need ADP WorkForce Suite. WorkForce Suite is an enterprise-ready solution that's flexible and adaptable. Whatever rules, processes, and tracking needs you have, it's got you covered. Top rated for workforce management, it's the one solution you need to consolidate and centralize your timekeeping and scheduling systems. At the heart of it all is time and attendance. With multiple options for capturing data in real time, including mobile apps, time clocks, tablet kiosks, PCs, and phone calls, it provides the flexibility and convenience your employees need. As data is collected, hours are accurately calculated, and managers can review time cards. Hours can be tracked to jobs, projects, and work orders for accounting and billing purposes. WorkForce Suite automatically applies the processes, policies, union agreements, and laws that you put in place. Resulting tasks or exceptions are summarized for supervisors on their dashboards, helping them to focus and save time. With absence management, employees can easily check their balances and make PTO and leave requests, while supervisors are promptly notified. And the system simplifies compliance by automating your leave case workflows. WorkForce Suite provides smart scheduling, improving visibility while simplifying creation and maintenance. Job scheduling creates schedules based on constraints like shift patterns, compliance rules, work hour limitations, and required skills and certifications. Demand scheduling optimizes schedules to meet labor requirements, ensuring you have the headcount and skills you need in the right places at the right times without idle time or coverage gaps. And analytics dashboards are interactive and configurable. They deliver insightful data so you can focus on areas that need your attention and make more informed decisions. Your workforce may be complex, but managing it doesn't have to be. Discover what's possible with a unified, scalable, and configurable system. Transform the way you manage your workforce with ADP WorkForce Suite.